Hey guys, okay, this is my first video, so I'm not gonna be, I've done one, but still, I fucking get nervous, dude. I'm like already sweating just by making this fucking video. But my name is Figgy, and they call me Figs. My favorite fruit is a fig, aside from an orange. And yeah, I don't know why my parents named me Figgy. But anyways, on today's show, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a healthy breakfast. Yeah, Señora Life has me fucked up. So I'm like, why am I not making videos and helping other Señora lives, like fucking their life better by one, cooking better, two, actually cooking, and three, not wasting your fucking money on garbage ass food that only gets you that meal and doesn't even get you like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It just gets you that one meal. So I'm eating a fucking banana as I'm trying to talk. So, stay tuned and see if you guys try this. Let me know how it tastes. Let me tell you, it's a fucking bomb. It might look fucking weird, but let me tell you, it's fucking bomb. I cook fucking bomb food. I've always invented my, like, own food, or, like, I, like, try a dish and I, like, try to, like, reinvent or, like, try to redo what they just did. I know it's not always perfect because some people's ingredients are different from others, but I honestly stick to my Mexican roots, honestly. So mostly all my freaking spices and all that stuff, it's all from, like, literally Señora Life, not no, like, things that all you have to do is stick it in the microwave and you stir it for a second, you pour. None of that shit's it's like all homemade. It's healthy and it's fucking filling, dude. And if you honestly eat this every single day, you're gonna start noticing that, like, your like metabolism is like fucking going. Like, you're shitting, dude. Not hella shitting, but you're getting there. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what you need for all this stuff. It's gonna let's call this the fig's egg. Okay, so you're gonna be needing a cuchillo, a knife, a cutting board, tabla, because mama don't like me touching her shit. I mean, scratching her cabinets, even though she's already scratched them because I get lazy and don't take it out. Don't ask why it's in a tomato thing. It's just, it is. It's gonna work. I haven't cut tomatoes, so I don't need to put tomato in here. An onion. Onions are fucking good for you. If you don't like onions, start fucking liking them because you won't die. Just kidding, but still. Onion is really good for you. I use avocado oil. I use any type of oil, coconut oil, any healthier oil, not too grasa. Chile serrano. I don't put all of it because I don't even like spices, but it gives it a little, like, flavor, that little, like, that little love fucking flavor that you need. I have my eggs. I usually get my eggs from Whole Foods or somewhere kind of like close and local, but these are from an actual local place. It's my mom's client, and she got them for her from her gallinas. And then these, all my, like, bigger vegetables I get from Costco. All these 3 things are from Costco. This lasts me about 2 weeks. This lasts me about a week, depending on how much greens I put into my food. I usually have greens with all my meals. I like to mix it up. I got spring mix today, but I usually have only kale or, like, romaine lettuce or just regular lettuce. And it kind of, like, I don't really like that because then I start getting used to that, and then when I change it up, I can tell. So I like to just, like, switch it up so I can get all my greens in. Potatoes, I'm only going to be cutting up 3 because this will probably last me breakfast and lunch since I'm eating alone. And then I'll cut some more for dinner and probably not even have some for dinner. Just depends. Potatoes are, I guess they're fat, but they're good. These are for the booty, girls. For the fucking booty. Don't fucking come at me with, it's all fat. I don't care. If you work out and you're eating fucking healthy, you gotta spoil yourself. Potatoes are good. Alright? For sure. Like I told you, I use a lot of, like, Mexican spices and stuff. I know this isn't the best thing, but this honestly gives your food flavor. Like, honestly, it gives your food, like, just tastes like home, straight the fuck up, and that makes me feel hella good. So, honestly, like, I really do use this a lot. Not as much, but I do use this. My mom says it's not the best thing, but it gets the job done, and I love it. Garlic salt, fucking garlic freak. I love salt. I'm a salty ass bitch, straight up. So I put this when I do, like, when I'm, like, when I know I'm gonna have to wake up early the next day. I'll usually cut my onion, my bell peppers, and I usually sometimes put zucchini sometimes, but I didn't have any today, so I didn't put any. But zucchinis, you can throw those in, just slice them up. They're really good too. And my chile, and I put them in a Tupperware, and I go ahead and season them with the caldo con sabor de pollo, and then the garlic salt. And I let them sit overnight, and then the next day I cook them, and then just throw my eggs in, so you don't have to be cutting everything, washing everything in the morning, you know. Alright, so I already washed my, I'm sorry, I'm hella sick, but whatever. Gotta do what I gotta do. I already cut my washed and cut my potatoes. I don't take off the cáscara, which is the, what would it call it be this? I don't know, the cover of the papa. Oh, the peel, the skin. I don't know. I leave it on, and a lot of people, it bothers them. It doesn't bother me. I don't mind it, so I'm gonna leave it on. Cut my bell peppers. I took off the end of the bell. I took off the, like the cola of the bell pepper, and then just cut it down in half. This is how much I'm using of the caldo de sabor. It's just, honestly, it's like less than a teaspoon. Just put a teaspoon of garlic salt too. Cut down my onion down the middle so they're like all diced up. I have a little bit of the chile serrano. I already have my olla going. I put 2 teaspoons of the avocado oil, and then I've had my water with salt already bubbling for my potatoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw my potatoes in there. I'll cover them right now, but for now I just want to show you. It should be like at least covered, so that's like perfect. Thank God I cut the 3rd potato. I'll go ahead and put this, so you hear that sound, you know that it's going and it's warm. So I'll go ahead and lower it to about 6. What is that? 6? Yeah, 6. And then my potatoes will stay on high because I like my potatoes to cook a little bit faster. They don't go down. You want to let your potatoes sit for about 15 minutes, honestly, because after you let those 15 minutes pass, they start getting hella motherfucking soft. And ain't nobody like soft ass potatoes. You like them kind of like, you know, perfect. Not too hard, not too soft. Because then it's just like, might as well make mashed potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and like move them around. Verga peluda. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and bedazzle this with the caldo de, the sabor de pollo seasoning. My bad, I fucking threw that. I'm honestly, straight up, I'm just gonna wash the onion and throw it back in here. I'm not about to waste that good ass piece of onion. Put a little bit of salt. Oh shit. And just go ahead and menele. And then I'm just gonna wash that onion and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that it's all ready, I'm gonna put, like, I stacked 3 onions together. I'm holding the fucking phone. I'm gonna try to hold the phone with my chin, okay? Let's see if I can get it. Okay, well, I couldn't do this. I'm gonna crack it a little. I'm just gonna take off the top. Alright, that was so fucking hard. And I'm just gonna throw it in there. I'm honestly so picky about my fucking egg. I already fucked up, so I'm honestly hella pissed. But whatever, I gotta stick with it. I usually give it to whoever's honestly like eating with me, which is Dre or somebody else. But, you know, I couldn't really do it because I was trying to record at the same time. But I'm gonna leave it like that because who cares? So you throw your egg in there, and then what I usually do is I throw a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to go ahead and lower it to about 3 or 4 to my other one. I'm going to go ahead and throw my bell peppers right here. And I usually throw it all together when I cut it, you know. But right now I'm like, I'm not in a hurry, so I just let them right there. My potatoes are bubbling. And you can do this like any way. Now, like, this is what I usually do it for all my sunny side people up. That's what I use. I just started using the onion because I honestly saw someone use a bell pepper as the onion ring, so like the egg wouldn't come out, and I was like, well, why don't I use my onion, because I always use onion. And I like my bell peppers honestly like this because then I can put like quesito, or I can put like a little bit whatever I want in here, which I usually put cheese. So That's what I'm going to do today. These are going. I'm hella bad with time, so I usually just take out a papa to see if they're good. Like right now, I already forgot. I was supposed to see how long I waited, and I didn't. But you see, like, they're already changing colors. Like, you'll know, like, the papa is straight up white, and then it gets, like, a little, like, creamy tan color. It's lightly getting there, but, ay, verga, todavía le falta. I didn't cover it because, whatever. Alright, so this is almost about done. The potatoes are about to be done in like 5 minutes. Put the chile serrano. I didn't videotape that, but I just threw it on top a little bit. My friend is coming over, so she told me she likes her eggs scrambled, so I want to go ahead and show you guys how I usually do when it's scrambled eggs. I cut the bell pepper, then I put the onion, and then one time, I do this habit, I put two eggs, and then I stir it. And the reason why I did do that is because one time I just poured the egg into the pan, and it estaba malo, so there was already food in there, so I kind of fucked it up, you know, so I just ruined it. So now I started putting in here. It has a little bit of garlic salt, and then the seasoning is in here. I want to go ahead and wash some of my spring mix, and then I'll be using that kind of like as my bottom. I love greens. I really don't care. You can put them on the side, you can put them not on the side. I'm gonna eat them. So kind of like the meal. Put the potatoes over here. Sass. So I already took out my food. I put a little bit more oil. I'm throwing that in. It's kind of like sizzling already. I'll let this sit for about like a minute. Once I know this is all cooked the fuck up, then I'll go ahead and throw my eggs. Lo voy a subir poquito porque como que no está yendo. Okay. This is how I check usually when my papas are ready. So I'll go ahead and God, make sure you blow it, because this is just coming out of the fucking hot water. I don't know why people do that. I tell them to try something and they just, like, I told Dre to, like, try something, he just pops it in his mouth. And I'm like, bro, did you not just see it come out of the fucking stove? Like, ya están como, pinches burros. Potatoes are fucking fire. I just finished them. I want to say they were literally in there for about 15 minutes. Turn that off. You hear this sizzling. This is cooking. I'll let this sit for like another 30 seconds. And then I'll throw los huevos allí. This is so far how my plate is looking. I already fucked it up, so it's cool though. That's just how life is sometimes. It's still going to be good. It's still going in one way and coming out the other. I'll go ahead and finish it up right now. This is my first video, so, you know, kind of bear with me. I just poured it out already. I forgot to show you guys because I know how some people can be special. Get my thing. Lo muevo por un poquito. Move it for a bit. I'll let it sit, but make sure you don't let it sit too much, because then it's going to kind of turn into an omelet. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, but there's, like I said, there's just some people that are picky, dude. Like me. You fuck up my egg, I don't want it. But now I gotta eat it because nobody's coming over that likes that shit. And then this is my puppy. He's a deaf puppy. He's actually sleeping right now. So literally I'm talking to him and he cannot hear me. Diesel. Nope. He's always in here. No, he's not. He's only in here when I cook, because it's kind of fucked up, dude. The door's over there and he's just like literally staring at me. Like, come on. That's fucked up. So I'll go ahead and do this. Eggs cook really fast. My video might be long, but once you get the point, you're gonna start, like, you're gonna fucking love it. Eggs are hella easy. It's a fucking easy ass thing to cook, dude. It's just part of fucking get up, dude. No seas pinche huevona. Honestly, that's what they fucking used to tell me. Like, they're like, Vicky, eres una pinche huevona, dude. You don't like to do shit. And I'm like, yeah, I don't. I don't know why, because, like, Señora's always did it for me. And now I'm growing up and I have a man's, and it's just like, fuck, now I gotta do it. And I don't know how, because I never took the time out of being younger and actually like it. I used to like baking, but I'm not gonna feed my man desserts for the rest of the life. Se va a poner como ballena. Hey, pásale, ya llegó mi comadre. Are you gonna do video? So this is my girl Kim. I usually work out with her, and I love fucking working out. She brought me a what?
A mango.
¿Por qué?
Because I can't repay your food. I don't have
because she's on the college life And I know how that fucking feels, so she bought me a mango, you know?
Doesn't it look nice?
Kim's been working out, so she wants to show the whole world her booty. Alright, so all this is done. No sean puercos. Straight the fuck up. Wash your dishes. Don't leave that shit. That shit irritates me. I usually wash, like, shit during, like, the middle, but since I'm kind of recording and doing this bullshit, I couldn't do it. Yeah, but, dude, like, just put everything back, and literally, tu casa está limpia, siempre. Straight up. This is the final result. No huevona. Yeah, so you got some scrambled eggs and then a shitty sunny side up egg.
It's okay.
So, you know, do the job. So, alright, thanks for watching my channel. Just pretend que estaba peinada todo el tiempo, señora. Yeah, Señora Life, we don't got time to get ready right now, bitches. I'm cooking. That's more important. So, if you like this shit, subscribe. If you don't, then thanks for watching. I hope you one day cook it because it's bomb. And have a blessed day. Bye, guys.